Welcome back to Walnut Springs. I've been eyeing this stretch of Walnut Springs for quite a while. I've been wanting to build something here, got a few features in mind. But today, I'm going to build something I'm calling Little Woody. Let's get building. I've been wanting to build one of these type of ramps for quite a while. You might know them as other names, but this one's a small one, so hence the name Little Woody. It's real simple. It just consists of a log that's stuck in the ground at an angle, propped up and supported by very little bracing. This is the first time I've ever done a mill style cut, or that's what I'm calling it. It worked really well. I should be able to apply the boards to it, and they'll all be nice and even. All the cuts I made for Little Woody are 12 inches. I think this will be the perfect size, as it'll add a little bit of an intimidation factor, but it should be enough riding surface for an experienced rider to ride up and go off the ramp. Now let's just add some dirt to it, get it nice and stable, a nice run up, and we'll be ready to ride. I can't believe how much fun Little Woody is to ride. This thing is super smooth. I'm tempted to make a landing for it, but it's just so smooth, I don't know that I'm going to. Hey, did you guys like this video? If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of Little Woody. Could I improve it? And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.